Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. You all have recently been asking me a lot about my green seasoning, and I thought, you know what, it's been 2 years since I shared a green seasoning recipe, so I'm going to share with you all my green seasoning recipe today. And this green seasoning, you can season any type of meats with it. So to make this, we're going to be using some shadow benny, also known as ricao or sawtooth coriander, scallion, or as we say in Trinidad, scythe, some fine thyme, some pimento or seasoning peppers, bird peppers, Scotch bonnet pepper, some Chinese parsley, pudina, which is also known as Cuban oregano or Mexican mint, and some garlic. Now when I'm making my green seasoning, I like putting the garlic at the bottom of the food processor. Now I'm using my food processor for this, but of course if you wanted to use your blender, feel free to do that. And we're just going to layer in all of the ingredients, and to get the leaves off of the stem, all you have to do is pull against it and it comes right off. Now add all of your ingredients to your food processor, and if it's a little too much, you can blend, and as it's going down you can always add more and keep blending. Now when you're blending this, you're going to blend it to the consistency you would like. You can either do it coarse or you can do it very, very fine. If you're doing this in your blender, you may need to add a little bit of liquid, but when using your food processor, you don't have to add any liquid. Now I'm doing this on the pulse setting. You'll notice that I'm scraping down my bowl. I just want to ensure that it's blending evenly, and that's why I do that. So I'm going to continue to pulse. This food processor also has a puree setting, but I prefer using the pulse or the chop setting. And once it's to the consistency you like, you stop. So this is the consistency I like. Sometimes I do use my blender. It depends on what I'm making. Sometimes I like a chunkier seasoning for certain things. So I empty this into a glass bowl, and I actually don't freeze my bandania. I don't like, or my green seasoning, sorry. I don't like the taste of it. I prefer to use it fresh since it's readily available. But if where you live you can't get it often, you can freeze it in a Ziploc bag flat, and then you can just break off little bits and pieces and use it when you go to season your foods. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I hope you all enjoyed my green seasoning recipe. Thank you guys so much for requesting this recipe. Thank you all for joining me today in the kitchen, and I will see you all in my next video. Please remember to stay safe.